You're probably wasting 2 to 3 hours a day doing stuff that AI can handle in seconds. Writing emails, taking notes, summarizing meetings, all of that? Done. Let me show you 3 free AI tools that will 10x your productivity right now. First up, Notion AI. Think of it as your all-in-one smart assistant inside your notes. It can summarize meeting notes, generate blog content, brainstorm ideas, and even fix grammar. I use it to plan videos, rewrite content, and make my notes cleaner and more useful. Instantly. It's built into Notion. Just open any page and hit Ask AI. The free version gives you some credits to start. Next, Tactiq, your AI meeting assistant. It automatically captures and summarizes your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams calls, complete with action items, highlights, and timestamps. Instead of scrambling to take notes, just focus on the conversation. Tactiq will do the rest. You'll get a clean summary right after every call. Perfect for remote teams, freelancers, or students. Finally, ChatGPT for email. Whether you're in Gmail or Outlook, AI can now draft your emails for you, and even reply in your tone. Use a free Chrome plugin like ChatGPT Writer or Merlin. Just highlight the email and tell it, write a polite reply or make this sound more professional. It takes seconds. Bonus, you can use it inside job boards, client chats, anywhere. Those are just 3 of the free AI tools I use every day to save hours. If you're not using them yet, you're working too hard. And hey, if you love productivity and minimal setups, I design weekly digital planners and aesthetic wallpapers to help keep your desktop clean and your brain focused. You can grab them on my Ko-Fi shop, links in the description. I upload new ones every week. Subscribe for more tools and tips like this, and let me know in the comments which tool you're trying first.